This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress themes. First, understand that a theme dictates your website's entire look and feel, from colors to fonts and layout. It's essentially the design layer of your site. You can browse thousands of options directly within your WordPress dashboard or explore premium themes from third-party developers. Choosing wisely ensures your site looks professional and functions perfectly for your specific needs. Installing a new theme is quite straightforward. You can easily search and install free themes directly from your WordPress admin area under Appearance and then Themes. For premium themes, you'll typically upload a zipped file. Once installed, simply click the Activate button and your website will immediately transform with its new design. It's a quick process, usually taking less than 1 minute. After activation, you'll want to personalize your theme. The WordPress Customizer, found under Appearance, allows you to make real-time changes to elements like your site title, colors, and header image. You can also set up your navigation menus and add useful widgets to various areas. For more in-depth changes, especially if you're adding custom code, a child theme is highly recommended to preserve your modifications during theme updates. To ensure your website performs optimally, always select a responsive theme that adapts beautifully to desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Keeping your themes updated is crucial for security and accessing the latest features and bug fixes. Furthermore, opt for lightweight themes to ensure fast loading times, which significantly improves user experience and search engine rankings. These practices will help your site thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.